everyone, Shane here with Tekscan. In this video, I just want to show you how to set your sensitivity for your patients as well as take a recording. So you'll see on your handle that there's a couple of functionality buttons on there. There's a plus and minus key, which is what allows you to set your sensitivity. And then there's a red button, which is your record function that allows you to start a recording, stop a recording, and then if you need to bring up a new movie. So let's talk about sensitivity first. So before you do recording, before you start recording the patient's movie, you want to have the patient do a couple of practice bites and have them bite down hard and hold. What you're looking for is you want to see 1 to 3 pain contacts. If I don't see any, I'll increase the sensitivity by hitting the plus key. If I see too many, I'll decrease sensitivity by hitting the minus key. And you'll see a sensitivity at the bottom of your recording screen. So let's do a quick example. So I'm gonna have the patient bite down hard and hold. You can see here I have a bunch of pain contacts, so I'm gonna decrease it. So I only see like 2 pain contacts. Let's do one more practice bite. Bite down hard and hold. And that looks pretty good. So now I'm ready to record. So to start the recording, I'm gonna hit the red button once to start it. Bite down hard and hold, relax. Bite down hard and hold, relax. Bite down hard and hold, relax. That's how easy it is to set your sensitivity and do recording. If you have any questions, let us know.